GRRR up 15.56%. This is Thursday, the 18th of September 2025. Intraday high yesterday, $21.48. And yesterday it was trending and still trending up till now. The company disclosed a massive $1.4 billion contract to develop AI powered data centers somewhere in Asia. A deal that could redefine the company's growth trajectory if fully executed. The news has injected fresh bullish sentiment into the stock, with some community members calling it a game changing win that positions the company as a serious player in the rapidly expanding AI infrastructure space. Bulls are highlighting the scale of the contract, noting that it dwarfs the company's historical revenue base, and if realized, could accelerate top line growth far beyond prior guidance. For them, the agreement validates the company's technology and expands its reach into one of the hottest global themes: AI driven compute and data center buildouts. The 1.4 billion figure alone has fueled speculation of a major re rating for the stock, with retail traders eyeing the potential for an outsized rally. However, not everyone is convinced. Skeptics in the community are urging caution, questioning the details and transparency of the deal, including the financial strength and legitimacy of the partner company. Some are wary of past overpromises and noting that securing contracts of this size often comes with long timelines, execution risk, and milestone based revenue recognition. Until more clarity emerges, bears see the announcement as a high on headlines, but uncertain in its impact on near term earnings. Okay, so let's see. Okay, you can always pause and have a read of what's left now. So let's see what's going on. Intraday highs, as I indicated earlier on, 21.48, it has pulled back from those highs. Yeah, this is the company it signed that contract with. Okay, so let's see. Yes, indeed, there are some skepticism towards all of that. Underlying trend, strongly bullish. Extrapolation before now was saying that as of the close of yesterday was saying that strength is going to remain in place up till Friday the 19th, and then there will be a contraction with a bullish bias going all the way towards Monday the 13th of October. So projections are saying, what do we have here? 21.48. Okay, so let's see what the projections are saying as of yesterday, the 17th. Downward projections and upper projections, beginning with the downward projections: 19.3, 20.65, 21.49. However, as of Monday, the 8th of September, the projections went to the highs. Okay, also included the lows of around 3.92, 6.11, 9.66, and indeed the upper projections of 21 point, no, 21 point, yeah, 21.36. Yes, it is an upper projection currently. 23.63, 25.04. Yeah, I mean, the stock has the highs of around 41.91. So you can imagine that there's still ample room to the upside, close to 100% premium from current levels. It does have it, even beyond, possibly, 34.54, 32.24, 20. Yeah, it has ample room to the upside. Let's see what we have here. Let's see. Yeah, 46.7, 46.72. This was as of early this year. So this is its daily chart. Let's see what we have here. Price pressure momentums are in strong trend modes. However, there is a concern about there's some resistance. Yes, we got that rejection here, 21.48. So I'm not exactly sure how it has impacted the 21 period moving average, but it is facing some resistance. It's been trending since, so yeah, some selling, profit taking would have been taking place. So this the 21-day moving average. Let's see, 21-day moving average. I think can easily compute that. So let's see what we have. 21 day. This is 5, 10, 15, 20. Yeah, 21 will be, yeah, 20th of August. Let's see. It's just if we find out that the day was, it might be able to, 20th of August, it might give us an impression of what's going on. 20th of August, somewhere around here. Okay, 20th of August. Okay, for some reason, the positions there, moving average around there, something happened to it or something, because it just points back to it is the positions amongst other things that were open there, and they also affect what's going on. If the stock is trading below those, you know, those the price as of then it affects everything. So yeah, sometimes it's what happened before is still very much relevant to what's going on right now. Some people, you know, you may hear them say, "We're not looking at rear view mirror, we're looking at a windscreen, but they're still very much relevant because if people are selling their positions, they bought all the way back, it will be affecting what you are dealing with right now. So okay, so let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, underlying trend is a bearish one on the 4 hour chart. So the stock is underlying trend is a bullish one. However, in the underlying trend, the long term trend is a bullish one. But the short term trend is bearish, especially based on this 4 hour chart. So extrapolations are saying high prices will remain in place up till midday tomorrow, the 19th. Projections are saying currently 18.56. It's a downward projection. It hasn't calculated anything to the upside. However, on Tuesday, projections went as high as 21.04, 20.52. Yeah. Okay, price pressure momentum is saying everything is strongly bullish, nothing negative at all. Okay, especially in the last couple of hours, everything is strongly bullish. Yeah, yeah, especially in the last couple of hours. Yeah, last couple of hours. Yeah, it's been strongly bullish. Okay, we could also apply the market grid. Yeah, we could try and see what's going on. See if it has yeah, where it is with reference to its market grid. Yeah, it is market grid is still within the market grid. So current price is 20.40. So this is where it is right now. It is in between the resistance and support zone. So we can just say that it's advancing into the resistance zones. So that we could say that maybe there's a good chance it may continue to print higher prices, and maybe it retest the highs of maybe 20.97. If it does that, then we can see what do we have at 21.45. We also have it here. Yeah, something like that. So it might that it has that probability of retesting 21.48. We also have it some a similar price here. So yeah, there's optimism there. There's optimism, and it also has that short interest. I think its short interest is quite reasonable. Was it mentioned here? Low flow dynamics, short interest. Yeah, it is. Yeah, so all of these things can change things, and especially if it's hard to borrow, then that also can amplify things. If it's also optionable, that can change things as well. So we'll just see how things go. You know, coming down, let's have a look at the daily chart to see what the market grid is saying. Yeah, okay, the stock is currently outside of its market grid, it hasn't reacted yet. So yeah, okay, just see what you make of GRRR, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.